Alright, I got a fly cutter on here. It's a fly cutter, which is a single bit cutter. So I got this all sharpened up, so it's got a little bit of a radius down there on the edge of the cutter if you look at it real close. It's all sharpened up. So that comes around and it cuts the surface. And if you look at it from under here, we're going to cut completely off the boss on both sides when this thing goes across. So we get a nice finish. So we'll go ahead and turn this on and make a shot through here and see what happens. I'm digging it up until it just hits. I just hit on the back side over there, you can see it. It's also hitting on the front side barely. Give it a towel or so over here. Give it a towel. I'll give it a towel and a half. Go ahead and put the cut all the way across. RPM there. Cut the top of the fins a little bit. It's going to clean all the way across. A little bit of unevenness right here, so I think I'll give it another half a towel or a towel or so. Got the witness mark right there, it shows you how flat it is. If your head wasn't good, if the cutter wasn't flat, it would leave a big cut on the back side. So we're going to have to give it a little extra here. Another thousandth. See how many chips we're getting on the towel. Basically, it's like snow. I can see the fluff falling off the machine, but I can't see chips. One towel is a very light cut. A little bit of a back cut on the back end. This machine always cuts more going this back way. Just going off the edge right there. See how it's cut, and you can still see the residue of the cut before it. The crisp marks mark is your witness marks. Alright. So you can see how the little witness marks in there are. So it's very, whoop, wrong direction. So it's very smooth. Nice and clean. So that's how it looks like when you do a nice good job there. So now you put your rocker blocks down here. We'll make sure the rocker blocks are good and flat. When everything pulls up, it doesn't warp when you pull everything together. On your rocker arms, when you pull them down, the blocks aren't flat and the head aren't flat. They warp the blocks and make the rocker arms stick, unless they're really loose. So that's why I always like machining these things all dead flat. So I'm going to go ahead and machine off this surface here. So I got to move things around a little bit to get to that.